Advertising Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called Monte Carlo simulation. So, what is Monte Carlo simulation? They are used to model the probability of different outcomes in a process that cannot easily be predicted due to intervention of random variables. It is a technique used to understand the impact of risk and uncertainty in prediction and forecasting models. A Monte Carlo simulation can be used to tackle a range of problems in virtually every field, such as finance, engineering, supply chain, and science. It is also referred to as multiple probability simulation. When faced with the significant uncertainty in the process of making a forecast or estimation, rather than just replacing the uncertain variable with a single average number, the Monte Carlo simulation might prove to be a better solution by using multiple values. Since business and finance are plagued by random variables, Monte Carlo simulation have a vast array of potential application in this field. It is used to estimate the probability of cost overruns in lost projects and the likelihood that an asset price will move in a certain way. Telecoms use them to assess the network performance in different scenarios, helping them to optimize the network. Analysts use them to assess the risk that an entity will default and to analyze derivatives such as option. Insurers and oil well drillers also use them. Monte Carlo simulation have countless applications outside of business and finance, such as in meteorology, astronomy, and particle physics. Thanks for watching. Bye.